an American Corner Budapest production. Hello everyone, we just completed the official American Spaces Summer Camp 2021 with great Hungarian students from all over the country who are very interested in American culture and social values. So let's see what they gained this week.
In this camp, I learned how to presentate and a lot about the Flex program.
I improved my English and I learned how to make an introduction video.
The most important skill that I learned in this camp is how to make a good speech.
I learned how to showcase myself with confidence.
Besides making new friends, I could find some new prospects to travel to America.
I think it was a really cool camp because I learned how to improve my presentation skills, and I think that's really important for my future.
In this camp, I learned about the Flex program, which provides me insight into what possibilities I have in my future. I could find new friends and new opportunities for my future. I learned how to make a great presentation.
I learned a lot about American culture and the exchange programs.
I really appreciated that I could take part in this camp. I learned a lot of new words and I gained self-confidence in speaking.
I learned about American exchange opportunities and how to make presentations.
I learned a lot on American students' life in the USA.
Now, I know a lot about Flex program and American culture. I could extend my knowledge and my vocabulary as well.
I learned about the American exchange students' life and about the American host families.
I got to learn about amazing opportunities in the USA.